In this tutorial, I want to show you how to build a self-watering container. These are the materials you need: 2 stackable buckets, 1 yogurt cup, some zip ties, a PVC pipe, 4 pipe segments or something else for support, some potting mix, and a plant. And these are the tools you need: a drill, a knife, a marker, and a watering can. This is how you do it. Take one of your buckets and the yogurt cup and mark the position of the hole on the bottom. Make sure it's a bit smaller so it doesn't fall through. Also mark the hole for the PVC pipe. Cut out the holes with a knife or a cutter. With the drill, drill a couple of small holes in the bottom so the soil gets aerated but doesn't fall through. Drill some holes in the yogurt cup too. Now put the yogurt cup through the hole from the inside and fix it with some zip ties. Add some holes if you need to. Place the bucket into the second empty bucket. Mark the bottom of the inner bucket onto the outer bucket with a circle. This will be our overflow hole. So punch a small hole out of that circle with a knife or a drill. Take your PVC pipe and cut off a little piece so the water can flow out easily later. Take the first bucket out, place some supports on the bottom and the pipe through the upper bucket. Add your potting mix, some organic fertilizer if you have, and a nice plant. Now you can fill in water through the pipe until it reaches the overflow hole. It is very important that only the soil in the yogurt cup is immersed in water. Also cover or mulch the soil additionally to avoid evaporation. The water will be slowly soaked up from the water chamber into the soil chamber, providing the plant gently with air and moisture. Also, nutrients won't be washed out from above as usual. The water in the reservoir lasts about 1 to 2 weeks and is easy to refill. Depending on your space and skills, you can also build some pretty big self-watering container systems. I hope you enjoy building your own self-watering container. If you like this tutorial, please comment and subscribe. If you want to support my work, you can buy me a coffee at coffee.com/zone00. And if you want to suggest me a new video tutorial, just let me know. Thank you, bye!